We're going to shoot this Henry Silver Eagle one more time. I had a lot of trouble with the sight. The sight has been bent, and it's a new rifle. I did get the alignment horizontally, the windage straightened out by moving it well over. If you can see, it's well over to the right side of the barrel instead of in the middle. And in the back, I had one of my subscribers said look in the back and see if there was a set screw. I might be able to drop the elevation by doing that, and there was a little bit left. It was pretty low, but I dropped it down as far as it'll go, and we're going to see if it shoots correctly. If we got a little bit of daylight left here, not much. See what happens. It's a well-made rifle. Very, very, very smooth action. It's a fall here in Fish Lake Valley now, so it's a little bit nippy tonight, or this afternoon. See what we can do. See if that brought it up enough to where I don't have to take out the elevator of the buckhorn sight. As I said before, a lot of people later on, they found out you couldn't lead quite as well with the buckhorn sight as you could with the lower sight, so they filed them off. This has got a tall buckhorn sight here. See if we can hit that. Well, it's hitting the target. Very smooth action. The bullets are exploding on impact. The second one of these 22 shells and they're Winchesters that have not fired. That's surprising. You can hardly see the front sight. But it looks like we were successful. Moving the elevator. Well, I blew that thing completely down. Loaded a few more. We got a little bit more time to shoot here before it gets dark. The magazine is extremely smooth. See the sparks off of that one that time. Well, thanks to our subscriber, I looked and see that it did have a movable elevator on the buckhorn side. And we could use our elevator doing very well now. As you can see, it's getting dark. I don't know how well the camera's picking this up. Even in the twilight, you can see fairly well out here in this high country. Pretty happy with this rifle now. I just expected it to shoot like this right out of the factory. I didn't know I had to work on it. Happened there, I don't know what. Oh, that came out. Well, we got a problem here. Well, I don't know how to clear that. See what we got in here. Something's caught in there. I don't know what. Well, we have another little problem of some sort. I'll have to take it inside and look at it under some good light. For some reason, the lifter is not working correctly. Don't know what happened there. Well, thank you for liking. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for our subscriber that brought my attention to this elevator screw. If you can see it there, I did get it down low enough to where it's shooting correctly. So that was great. Now I just got to figure out what happened with the malfunction here. Please come back again, and we'll do some more shooting. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments too. Please like and subscribe. We did get our shell cleared out of here. I just had to put my knife down in there and move it. It had got caught in the lifter magazine. The tube here, this had come out a little bit and caused it not to lift all the way. So that was the problem. Thought I'd tell you the rest of the story. Thank you.